Draw that. Good. Ain't that your people over there? Had to look. Nigga over there. Look twice. Nigga right there. Look 3 times. They dumb ass. My fault. Y'all know what we doing. It's loud, so you can't really hear nothing. I'll be back. Yeah. We getting started probably. Or muffler delete. Or suitcase delete. Whatever you call it. We in here. Look at this. It's gonna be loud probably this whole video, so I'm just talk close. We in the shop, getting a little muffler delete, whatever. At 8 a.m. Hopefully we can make it just sing. Yes, sir.
Hey yo, what the fuck? Alrighty.
Bro, tweak. I'm on wood without no goddamn mask on, no glass, no safety net, nothing. It's 30 facing glass, bro. Tweak. My bad, y'all. I just took a shit, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I just took a shit. I came back, keys. And like he damn near finished. I'm trying not to cuss, my fault. Like he on finger though. He's a welder. He got one more side left. It's like that side. You know you got wheel 4 parts in total. The front to that. He welded 3 out of 4 parts. I think, so. Nah. No mind. He welded 2 out of 4 parts. He probably gonna be here like another 15, 30 minutes. Hey, this look clean. It's a little dusty, but y'all riding this? Let me know what y'all riding this. Let me show you the inside. Look, those seats look comfortable though. I ain't gonna cap. What do you got on the dash? They got 90, they got 100 on the dash. Man, this ain't hard though. Those seats look so, man, it's a couch in that mug. It's a couch in there. The dice and that shit. Hey, simple, but. So, boom, this is what we're gonna do. Tell like, or change them out on the third brake, like 2. I don't know if he didn't like little toe hits right now. I'm picking the tail lights, or change them out. And the front wheel, corn delete. That's just cosmetic. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna do for performance, bro. All these are my business. Appreciate that.
This is SRT?
Yeah, 6'4".
That motherfucker ground anyway.
Nah, it won't ground enough. That bitch was stock. It had that big ass suitcase on that
Where you
bitch.
get this bitch from?
Memphis City Auto.
Yeah.
It had that big ass suitcase right there on that bitch.
That boy got a straight 8.
Yeah.
You cash that on your bitch?
Nah, hell nah. It'll be with like 20 something. I put like 7 down now. Yeah.
Rapping, man.
Yeah.
Rapping. Pull on, I need to hear that.
Hey, you gonna hear it for sure.
I need to hear that, though. Don't hear it when you pull up.
Oh, boom. We got the muffler deleted. Hey, this one sound. It's straight. You know, me. Nigga, I just came from a 6'4" long tubes and full straight pipe. You know, I went this just loud. But, you know, it's straight for right now. Only bad thing about it is, you hear that? That's a little flap inside the exhaust, you know, like this. And it's annoying, bro. It's so annoying, bro. Like, you can't have it. Like, I can't hear it right now, but outside, it sounds like. Show y'all right quick. I should take that muffler out, 'cause they're gonna be sliding now. Getting my sub. Now I gotta go to class. I'm an hour late, basically. Yeah, that shit annoying for real. I gotta get that junk fixed. I mean, it's all good. But like nah, I can't do that. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not. It sound like creaking noises, like that type. Yeah, let me put this in the sport and hit it, man. Little pad of filters. That one popped up, you know what it mean. That one popped up, you know what that mean. Little something. Finally got a voice. It's talking right now. It need to be barking later. It need to be yelling later, bro. Let's see that downstairs sound right quick. Yeah. And that's all you hear before the guy exhaust sound? Nah, bro, that ain't not it. Ain't. Oh, shit, that's a fat pothole on that time. I'm gonna get back with y'all after I hopefully fix their problem. Get that bitch fixed now. Sound straight. The clacking noise gone now. Then it's gonna watch now. I'm gonna put some sound clips in here. My homeboy recorded some sound clips for me. Let's see. He gonna send this to me. That's it. It's just so hard, man. Yeah. Get back. I'm gonna get back with y'all, bro. Boom. Fur wire. Hey, you got a fat mosquito on your back, bro.
I'm good.
It's on your hood. That was John, so that one got holes in that shit. I don't know, you know he off some. Brembo and her, tie side. Yeah, we right. We right. We right. Susky.
That'd be something.
You know?
You know?
Brodusky. That's Brodusky right there. Brodusky. Front lip.
Real way.
In a real way.
In a real way.
Y'all see that? Y'all see that? D3 in this one. Sunroof up. Hey, that's not right. That's hard. That's like track. That might be like a little clip. Come there. Yes, sir. Ski. Yeah, that's it. We'll get some sound clip for you.
1-on-1 now.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Get the grip on
We got Mr. Goddamn. We got Mr. Josh, damn it.
Yeah.
We got it.
You'll never see nothing like this leaders. Sunroof. Oh, yeah. That's our T-seats. You know how we do it. Nah, we gonna show them that. Y'all don't need to know that. Nigga, fast six on them up. Oh, yeah. Come on, we can go to the booty. Come on, nigga. I can fit y'all nigga. I can fit y'all nigga heads in that motherfucker. What? I ain't know.
Don't play with it.
Y'all ain't crazy enough.
Don't play with it. They know about banana. But don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Well, come on, cuz. What you on, cuz? Barney, man. Hell no. Come on, man. Y'all already know what this is. Oh, shit. Put the little dancing banana. You know that. You know the little.
Fortnite joint.
Hell.
Little lightweight hood.
Yeah, you know, like he's like a dog in the
Ah
banana.
yeah.
Yeah, it be hard, man. Step back
That's
from the
Susky.
pool.
That look. Yeah, man, we getting roll with it, motherfucker. Y'all ain't crazy.
Yo, you see that
Yeah,
behind you, just
crazy.
know it coming. You know?
You know,
Look.
in a real way.
In a real way.
Yeah, Susky. That's a hard. Let me get the lights for y'all, boy.
Absolutely have to.
Oh,
Absolutely have to.
let me get that light for y'all. Ugh. Yeah, Susky. Yeah,
Check out the light.
Susky. Yeah, Susky. That's a hard. We get tail lights and jump, black chrome out, all that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We in the jump. And then we got a little remote start in the jump. Don't mind the key, bro.
She older than me.
Little rumble, little Royal Rumble, little Royal Rumble, and none too. Let me get in the jump. Let me get in the jump. Hold this up, my boy.
Yeah.
Real way. You know what I'm saying? A little sound clip. Hey, we're gonna put some in the end for y'all boys, bro. Little pass by. Yeah, Susky. Dirty draws that. Dirty draws that. Yeah, ain't that your people over there? Made you look. Nigga over there. Made you look twice. Nigga right there. Made you look 3 times, big dumb ass. My fault. I'm sorry. Anyway.
Yeah, it's truck out down here on
They gonna put their heels and say, what the hell the track out?
Oh, shit.
Ugh. Alright, boy. I'm gonna give it y'all there.